Hello and welcome to another video walk around by myself, Parker, and today we're going to be looking at a new Toyota Rav4 LE. This is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in Alpine White. And under the hood you'll find a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your exterior features include your new LED Parabola headlights, your increased ground clearance, and your roof rails ready for a roof rack and extra cargo space. Now why don't we head inside and see what else this RAV4 has to offer. Us inside, we've got our key fob right here. We have the lock and unlock buttons with our panic button as well, and we can flip right out, and there's our physical key to start us right up. So we're going to press the unlock button once for the driver's side door, twice for all four, and you can see we have our signal light on our mirror as well. We'll open up our back seat, check out our passenger space over here. We've got a 12-volt DC outlet just right there, plus some storage space as well. Your passengers are going to be able to keep their devices all charged right up, and then we have our cup holders right in the middle there for those passengers. So front seat, here we've got our window buttons, lock and unlock, and the window lock as well as the mirror adjuster with some space just underneath for some storage. So we have our seat adjust, and then to the left of the steering wheel we've got our rain sensing windshield wipers. We've also got our fully automatic headlamps. All right, so we'll start right up. And there we have it. So there we go. We're going to be using the left-hand side of the steering wheel to look through the multi-information display. Right in the center here. So this is our Toyota Safety Sense little feature right there. So we do have our parking assist. We've got our lane departure alert right there, plus our cruise control that's off right now. Then we have a full suite of pieces we can look through. Our blind spot monitoring system, our pre-collision warning that has cyclist alert instead of just pedestrian. So lots of little pieces in here to look through. So we'll go right back. So as well as the left-hand side, we have our volume button. We've also got our hands-free calling, and we've got our voice recognition. And as well on the right-hand side, we have our lane departure alert and our dynamic radar cruise control with our cruise control setting and our channel selector right there. So looking more at our entertainment system, we've got our home screen right here. So we have our consumption rate. We also have our AM, FM radio piece right over here. So we'll look through this. All our presets are on the same list, and we've also got the AM, FM, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB. Go to our menu, and we have our projection for Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic to have. Now you can basically use your iPhone and all those apps that are on there instead of only being able to use preloaded applications in here. So nice, works with your Google Maps, works with Spotify, Apple Music, all of those little pieces. So check out our reverse cam. So our backup camera, we do have our dynamic backup camera that turns and shifts with our steering wheel, letting us know where we're going to go or end up, and we can change a few of these pieces there. So this is our widescreen version. This is our close-up. We can also change these lines as well. Nice and handy. Just below that we've got our climate system. Dial on the left is for intensity, on the right is for temperature, and then we've got our front and rear defrost plus our mode selector right there with air conditioning as well. Heated front seats, traction control, and then we plug our iPhone right into that USB slot right there for the Apple CarPlay mirroring. Then we've got our 12-volt DC outlet as well. And then we've got our traction control just right over here, our multi-terrain select. We've got snow mode, mud and sand, rock and dirt. Pressing these buttons will allow us to optimize our traction. And we have eco, normal, and sport mode for everyday regular city driving. Sport mode as well, so we can shift up and down. A little more control over it. All we do is pop into drive, over to the left, and we can shift. 2 cup holders, and then we have our center console as well. Lots of space inside there. And then one of the new features in the 19 RAV4s is this nice little storage shelf taken out of the Highlanders book. And we've also got our glove box with all of our pieces of information in there. We've got our instruction manual, user manual. We can pop some Kleenex into there. Anything that's nice and quick access. And then we've got our sunglass hutch as well. You know, my favorite feature. Now why don't we head back and take a look at cargo. So we'll pop inside of our RAV4. A few things to show you. We do have the dual exhaust just right there, and we've got our backup camera as well. And we've got our roof rails too for some extra cargo space and cross members. So open right up. So here is our ample cargo space. You can see we have the 60/40 splitting rear seats as well. We've also got some D-rings. We can lock things down back here if we need to. So lots of space for you. We'll close right up. Let's take a last look at our new RAV4 LE. Once again, some of your great interior features are your Apple CarPlay compatibility, your heated front seats, and your multi-terrain select. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you. Come in and take it for a test drive. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Parker, and until we see you, drive safe.